I'm going to drag my layers panel out just so I can see it better, and then collapse this a little bit taller here. Okay, now we need to create the walls, the 4 walls. So we're going to make 1 wall and then use that wall 3 more times to make the 4 walls. And we're going to make it a smart object. So let's just get our rectangle tool right here, and you want to pick any color. It doesn't matter what color because you can change it later on anyway, because we're going to make a smart object. So something like that. And then you're just going to go from one guide to another guide and create a rectangle. So it should snap if you get anywhere close, and if you click boom, it should snap right to a guide. So something like this, because you can have a ceiling up here and a floor down there. All right, so there's your object, and then we're going to make that a smart object. So go to our layer here and go. I think you can right click on the layer itself and choose convert to smart object. There it is. So there's that little icon that tells you it's a smart object. So let's go in here and double click on the smart object, and you're inside the rectangle.psb, Photoshop Smart Object. And let's transform this a bit. So I'm going to go Command T, and I want to make it so it has a bulge on the top and the bottom that are symmetrical. So with Command T on, I'm going to select this icon right here, the warp transform, and then underneath, instead of warp custom, I'm going to choose bulge, and it creates a bulge. So Command minus to see the bulgeness. So not so big. So maybe something like this, and then accept that. Image reveal all to reveal all the bulginess on it. Okay, so but it is transparent there. Okay, and if you ever come back here and you go to transform it again, you could rebulge it. Bulge one more time. Say maybe a bigger bulge, right? Bigger bulge. And if you accept it, make sure you go image reveal all. Okay. And then when you save the smart object, Command S, and you close the smart object, it changes here, because that's why it's a smart object.